Okay, so today we're going to make this beautiful, and it's really, really simple. Chicken stew with chickpeas, cumin, tomatoes. Wow, it's lovely. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so this is really simple and really beautiful. So here I've got chicken. I've got chicken 1 kg, which is 2.2 pounds. Now that chicken has skin on it and bone in. I've cut it into fairly large pieces, cut it smaller if you want. 3 cups here of fresh tomatoes. Now I've put my tomatoes into a food processor to get them nice and small. You don't have to do that if you don't want, just cut them really small. 1 cup of onions, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 3 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder, garlic, there's about 6 or 7 cloves there that I've sliced up, and 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. Let's get moving. Okay, so in this large pan, you're going to need a large skillet pan or my kind of woky thing that I use. I've got 4 tablespoons of olive oil. The heat's on. I'll just put that on, just on medium. We're going to drop our chicken in, and for about 6 or 7 minutes on a medium heat, we're just going to cook the chicken, get a nice bit of color on it. You can see the sort of size that I've cut this. Very, very simple and very beautiful, this dish. So we've got a nice bit of color on there. Now get those 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds in the mix. One cup or 1 decent size onion, and tablespoon or so of sliced or chopped garlic, up to you. While I'm here, let's get some salt in the mix, along with some black pepper. Nice couple of big pinches for me. And then we're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes on this medium heat. We'll have this done in absolutely no time. It's fantastic and really delicious. Really beautiful. Okay, next up we're going to drop in the 2 cups of chickpeas that are cooked already, of course. Now if you're going to use them from a can like I did, give them a nice rinse through in some cold water. Now we're going to add the 3 cups of fresh tomatoes. To that we're going to add the cumin powder and the chili powder. Stay on a medium heat and let this go now for 8 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We really want to cook those tomatoes out. Really fabulous. We've nearly done it. Off goes the heat. That is absolutely beautiful. Check that for salt. It's going to be fine for me. Bit of cilantro or coriander in there, whatever you call that. That's a winner dinner. Well done, everyone. You've just made yourself a really beautiful cumin tomato chicken. Really fantastic that is. That's perfect with some rice, just some plain rice, or maybe just with some roti or chapati or something like that. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. Please don't forget to leave me a comment. I do read all your comments and I do try to answer all of you that leave me messages. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. That would help me out a great deal. Lots of love.